Hello BSc secondary students. So after arrays we have few topics. Okay, arrays, types of arrays. So few topics still are there with the arrays. Okay, so concept of ordered list. So it is like mathematical related terminology. Ordered list. Okay, then pros and cons of arrays. Before that, string manipulation. String manipulation with arrays and pros and cons of arrays. Okay, these three topics will be covered by today's class. Concept of ordered list. Mathematically, what is ordered list? Ordered list is the most common and frequently used data object. A list in the sense object. So here elements will be there, and each of the elements will form a sequence, will make an order. Okay, so order list లో ఒక order లో elements మనకు ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. They will be there with a certain order. They will follow certain order. For example, like our textbook. So the odd numbers less than equal to 15 are right 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So they are ordered in a order. Which order? For example, descending or ascending order. Sorry. And there is a relationship. There is a sequence also there, and therefore making order. So the difference is 2 between any two elements. And month names January, February to December. So they will come one by one. January, then compulsory it will be February, then compulsory will be March. So this is also called order list. WebGR, colors of rainbow. WebGR also will make will frame a ordered list. So what is the advantage or what is related with DS for order list? Okay, so arrays are the most common data structure that can be used for representing an order list. So our arrays are nothing but an order list. Okay, could use sequence organization as well as direct access, but here also arrays are also right the basic right examples for order list in data structures. And the basic operations what we could use on the ordered list: finding the length of the list, traverse the list left to right or from right to left. Traverse means accessing, reading every element either from left to right or right to left. Traversal and traversing. Okay, this word will be repeating. Okay, in trees graphs level traversal word. Access the ith element, required element can be accessed. Update the value of ith position. So we can override some value in the place of existing. Insert an element, delete an element. So already insert చేసి delete తెలుసు, arrayలో accessing element కూడా తెలుసు. Traversal means displaying the data, finding the size, length of the. Okay, so short bit ordered list. What is ordered list? Examples and basic operations on the. So with concern with the data structures, arrays are also the basic ordered list. Next, string. So in C++, group of characters, a sequence of characters are nothing but a string, and the strings are also called character arrays. So we may have integer arrays, float arrays, and character array. Okay, say char a of 10. So char data type a of 10 size and a string. So C++ string manipulation. Okay, strings are nothing but arrays. And basically string is stored in a sequence of characters in one dimensional array, character array. String ni character array anta. And we have string class also, but according to C, same concept is used in C++. Array will be declared with char a of char data type, string name 10, and initialization can be done directly. And as we know, a null character will be used to determine the end of the string. So string అయిపోయిందంటే, for example, after G, null character will be right added by the compiler to indicate the string is ended. So basic string manipulation ఇదంతా Cలో చదివారు మీరు. బేసిక్ ఆల్రెడీ ఆల్ finished in B, so C. Okay, first semester. So what are the basic or string manipulations? Okay, finding the length of the string length, concatenation, string copy, strcpy function, reversing a string, strrv function, string compare, strcmp function, palindrome program without function, without string reverse or with string reverse, and recognizing a substring. So these are the possible operations on a string. Okay, so few programs are given here. Okay, how to print a string in C++ and string concatenation, string copy and string length. So add these two programs to this topic. String copy, string concatenation, string length output. Okay, so basic strings programs are given here. So this topic is also over. And finally, pros and cons of array. So whether concluding the advantage disadvantage of array data structure. So that is pros and cons, advantage disadvantages. Okay, so before the characteristics, okay, and all we finished this characteristics array and definition or characteristics of array. Advantages, okay, they permit efficient random access, most appropriate storing, fixed amount of data, compact type data structures. Okay, so they will be used to implement sorting, searching and other operation matrix. Okay, like order list కాబట్టి we may use on polynomials, మీ mathematics polynomials హ్యాండిల్ చేయొచ్చు అరేస్లో. ఓకే, స్టాక్ క్యూస్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ అరే కావాలి. సో క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉన్నాయి, డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉన్నాయి. Let's go through this one. Disadvantages. So some disadvantage means memory wastage of memory as they are static. Okay, but a dynamic arrays we could use in place that. Okay, so and the array index out of bounds problem will be there. So if more elements are used than the declaration, 6 elements you declared, you are accessing 7th element. Okay, so new compilers, they are producing array index out of bounds. అంటే we reserved 6 seats for a movie and 7 people went for the movie. అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు అలా చేస్తాడో చేయడు. సో array index out of bounds. So there is a problem with the drawback that one. And applications. So as they're basic, everywhere arrays are used. Strings, okay, order list implement చేయాలన్నా, polynomials, stacks, queues. Okay, so in this area, searching, indexing, sorting. Okay, arrays works with integer, float, character. So everywhere we can use the arrays. So applications of arrays. Right, so 3 topics have been finished: ordered list, examples, operations. Next is string manipulation, string operations, basic operations, advantage, programs, not advantage, programs. Next, pros and cons of array, characteristics, advantages, disadvantages and applications. Okay, so these 3 are very very easy topics. Okay, no need to explain more. Okay, points are there, just go through the points and if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, and have a good day.